big screen, money green leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur. Phone bill about 2 G's flat. No need to worry, my accountant handles that. And my whole crew is lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my one-room shack. Now my mom pimps a act with minks on her back. And she loves to show me off.
Alright, so we're walking around South Beach and looking for some supercars. Do some car spotting around here. I heard an Aventador, so let's go look for it. Oh look, I found a rad rod, look at that. So I spoke with the owner just before I left. That's a 33 Plymouth Coupe. That's pretty cool.
He's such a hitchhiker. God damn. That's okay. I think it's 15.
Telling the story. So I was just walking by, and I hear a Mercy coming down. So I'll look over and it's Don's car. So
Yeah, whatever.
here I am. Say hi, Don. I just stepped out of Don's car because I'm trying to see what's going on. So let's take a look. We got Audi R8. Here's Brian's car. Brian. Wow! Holy shit! AMG SLS. Here's Betty. I'll see you up there. There's a Mantis Green McLaren 650S. Alright, Don's gonna be coming back soon. I'm gonna jump in his car.
Shining bright, there's a set going strong, a lot of things going on. The man of the hour has an air of great power. The dudes have envied him.
Look, Lamborghini. Hey, check this guy out. A gold-wrapped Camaro SS. Alright, so Don decided to drop me off. He's going home, but I can check out the lineup right now. Here's Robbie's car. Here's Tim's car. Got the Solar Beam Yellow AMG SLS. Hey man, hanging out. And Brian Solomon SV. Oh, this is crazy. People are just kind of popping out of nowhere, taking pictures, popping in front of the cars, posing. It's a lot of fun. Diablo VT 650S over there. I wonder where Betty is. Alright boys and girls, the group's getting ready to move out. Everybody's getting back in their cars. I'm going to be riding shotgun in the 650S. Sure. Oh. Alright boys and girls, so we're here at somewhere, and yeah, there's a Viper Green GT3 RS, and let's see what's going on here. Group's right over here. Don's back, what the heck. So there's a couple of nice cars here in the valet. Looks like a Bentley Continental, there's a Ferrari F12, and a Tesla Model X P90D. Oh no, it's just a 90D. Still pretty good. So yeah, I'm just hitchhiking today. I'm riding with Floyd in the. Floyd, what is this? A Discovery? What is a Discovery?
Oh, this is a Range Rover Sport.
Range Rover Sport. Oh, the Ferrari. Is that Craig? Nah.
Yo, hey, hold up. We gotta take We gotta take a picture. Let's take a picture.
What is that? I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, he just got that shit too.
Oh shit! It's got dealer plates. Brand new plates. All right, it's filming. Don't drop it. Look at this. Look at all these cars. You got Don's Lambo, you got Huracan, look at all this cool shit. Catch you guys later. See you, Tim. Peace, love, and happiness. All right, boys and girls. gals, that's it for today. I'm gonna head back to my car and go home. Oh, and if you liked that video, hit like, subscribe, and if you didn't like the video, go watch another video.